Hello, this is Catherine from Accelerated Reader. Today, I will be reading KoKo the Puppy by Catherine Earley, illustrated by ISD Group. Before I begin reading, I would like to give a big thanks to the author for sending me this book to read on my channel. In the description below, I have included links where you may find and purchase this book. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Try to Find Me. Author Catherine Earley was born a long time ago, but not before the dinosaurs. She lives in Ohio, but is not a fan of winter. She has a hubby and a daughter that make her laugh all the time. Some of the things she enjoys are singing, writing children's books, making people laugh, praying, and eating. She likes eating ice cream the best. Hi, you found me here. Keep trying to find KoKo the puppy. KoKo is a puppy. She really likes to play. She also loves to run outside all day. She always eats all of her food. She even gives kisses when she's in the mood. These are KoKo's friends that like to come and play. This is her owner, and together they like to pray. KoKo likes to go for a ride. Almost as much as playing outside. KoKo likes to fetch her ball. But she loves Jesus most of all. She is the best puppy of all. Thank you for reading KoKo the Puppy. Stay tuned because KoKo is getting a new ball very soon and she wants to show you. Thank you for listening. The end. Don't forget to like and subscribe. In the description below, I have included links where you may find and purchase this book.